Hi everybody, my name is Anastasia Van Horn and I am a sophomore at Port Jervis High School. This is my third year in 4-H and I am a part of the club Whiskers and Squiggles. This is my first ever 4-H presentation and today I will be talking about fungi. Fungi to me has a bad reputation and not a lot of people realize the benefits and pros fungi actually has. They just look at the cons. For instance, when I think of fungi, I usually think of some old, nasty fungus growing on some guy's foot, which isn't very pleasant. But fungi is so much more. Fungi is a multi-cell organism that is from the kingdoms of eukaryotic and prokaryotic. It lacks chlorophyll, which causes the fungi to search out in more ways of nutrients and food, such as using other organic material. Fungi is found everywhere. Fungi usually likes to grow in warm, humid places, such as the woods. However, fungi can grow terrestrially, which means on the land, or aquatically, underwater. Fungi is either symbiotic or parasitic. Symbiotic meaning it feeds off dead organic matter, and parasitic meaning it's a parasite and lives off living things or organisms. The vegetative state is called thallisis, and thallisis is often unicellular. So unicellular is very uncommon with fungi. Fungi is mostly multicellular. There are 4 different types of classification for fungi. Alcimicata, which is sac fungi, known for its sac-like structure, and it is custis. The next group is Deuteromycota, which is fungi imperfect or imperfect fungi. And those fungi have fuzzy appearances and are your molds. The next group is Myogastria, which are your slime molds, who are surprisingly unicellular. They are your amboid protists. And the last group is Promycite, which is algae fungi, aspiate, basically algae, and it grows aquatically. The pros to fungi include high in nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and protein. Fungi also increases soil fertility, which helps things grow better and have better quality and the quantity. The industry also relies on fungi quite a bit. For example, yeast and cheese flavoring both come from fungi. Fungi also can be used as a biological control agent, which means it controls and limits how certain foods grow. And finally, and most importantly, fungi helps create a lot of medicines. For instance, penicillin and clavicillin, which are most known. The cons is fungi is the cause for many diseases and organisms. Mercur, which is mucoritis, alba canidia, which is the white breast of mustard, emphasis species, which is powdery mildew, and triflunicon, which is ringworm, which is very contagious and can spread very easily and quickly. The last thing is the way fungi reproduce. And there's 3 different ways: vegetative, sexual, and asexual. Sexual and asexual are more straightforward, while vegetative has a few different ways. With vegetative, the first one is fragmentation, and basically the fungi has little fragments coming off of it, creating new individual fungi from the original plant. Next is fusion, when the fungi divides into 2 or more individual organisms. The last one is budding, which is when the parent plant grows little buds that can get cut off and create new individual organisms. Sexual is the fusion of plump to place and the fusion of the nuclei. Asexual, the new fungi that's being, grows. The fungi has how it reproduces is it grows inside because it has thin walls and it's non-volatile. And that's basically how it goes asexually. Thank you for listening to my presentation and watching, and I hope you know more about fungi and feel more educated. Have a good day.